In today's digital age, the internet has opened up a world of possibilities for generating income. With just a few clicks, you can access a plethora of platforms and tools designed to help you make money online. From e-commerce to freelancing, the opportunities are endless and ever-evolving. Gone are the days of being confined to a traditional 9-to-5 job. The rigid structure of commuting to an office, clocking in and out, and adhering to a fixed schedule is becoming a thing of the past. Today, flexibility is the name of the game. Now you can explore a myriad of online avenues to earn money from the comfort of your home. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or someone looking to supplement their income, the internet offers a wealth of opportunities that cater to various skill sets and interests. And the best part? Many of these methods require minimal effort. You don't need to invest countless hours or possess specialized knowledge to get started. With the right approach, you can set up systems that work for you, allowing you to earn money passively. Imagine waking up to find your online business humming along, generating revenue even as you sleep. This isn't just a fantasy, it's a reality for many who have tapped into the power of the internet. Automated systems and passive income streams can make this dream come true. This dream can be a reality with the right approach. By leveraging technology and smart strategies, you can create a sustainable income stream that requires minimal ongoing effort. It's all about working smarter, not harder. The key lies in identifying lazy ways to make money online. These methods are designed to maximize efficiency and minimize effort, allowing you to focus on what truly matters to you. Whether it's spending more time with family, pursuing hobbies, or simply enjoying life, the right online income streams can provide the freedom you crave. Don't misunderstand, lazy doesn't mean avoiding work altogether. It's about finding ways to streamline your efforts and automate processes. By doing so, you can achieve more with less effort, freeing up your time for other pursuits. It's about working smarter, not harder. Utilizing tools and technologies that can handle repetitive tasks allows you to focus on high-value activities. This approach not only boosts your productivity but also enhances your overall quality of life. It's about leveraging your existing skills, interests, and a sprinkle of creativity to unlock passive income streams that fit your lifestyle. Whether it's writing, coding, or any other talent, there's a way to monetize it online. The key is to find the right platform and audience. Whether you're a wordsmith, a tech enthusiast, or simply seeking a side hustle, there's an online opportunity waiting for you. The internet is a vast marketplace where you can offer your services, sell products, or even create content that generates ad revenue. In this video, we'll delve into 6 such methods that can pave your path to financial freedom. Each method is designed to be accessible and effective, providing you with the tools and knowledge you need to succeed. Get ready to discover how you can make money online effortlessly. With the right mindset and strategies, you can turn your online endeavors into a lucrative and fulfilling venture. So, let's dive in and explore the world of effortless earnings. Words have power. They can inform, inspire, and even persuade. Direct response copywriting harnesses this power to drive specific actions from readers, primarily buying a product or service. As a direct response copywriter, you become a master of persuasion, crafting compelling sales letters, website copy, and email campaigns that convert prospects into paying customers. The beauty of this method lies in its simplicity. You don't need fancy degrees or years of experience to excel. All you need is a strong command of language, an understanding of human psychology, and the ability to write persuasively. Start by honing your skills through free online resources, YouTube tutorials, and books by renowned copywriters like Sinet and Jim Edwards. Building a portfolio is crucial. Offer your services to local businesses or create mock ads for practice. As you gain experience and positive testimonials, you can command higher fees and attract a steady stream of clients. Direct response copywriting is a lucrative field with immense potential for those who possess a way with words. Video content is king in today's digital landscape. With the rise of social media, streaming platforms, and online learning, video has become an essential part of our daily lives. Whether it's for entertainment, education, or marketing, the demand for high-quality video content is ever growing. From YouTube channels and social media platforms where influencers and brands alike share their stories and products, to corporate websites and online courses where businesses and educators provide valuable information and training, video has become the preferred medium for consuming information and entertainment. This shift has opened up numerous opportunities for those skilled in video editing. This surge in video content has created a massive demand for skilled video editors. Companies, content creators, and educators are all looking for talented individuals who can bring their visions to life through compelling video content. If you have an eye for detail, a knack for storytelling, and enjoy working with video editing software, this could be your golden ticket to online earnings. Video editing is not just about cutting and splicing clips together. It's about creating a narrative that engages and captivates the audience. You don't need to be a Hollywood-level editor to succeed. Many successful video editors started with basic skills and gradually honed their craft over time. The key is to start with the basics and build a strong foundation. Start by learning the basics through online tutorials and courses. There are countless resources available that can teach you everything from the fundamentals of video editing to advanced techniques. Numerous free and affordable options are available online. Websites like YouTube, Udemy, and Coursera offer a wide range of courses that cater to different skill levels and interests. Once you have a grasp of the fundamentals, consider specializing in a niche. Specializing can set you apart from the competition and make you more attractive to potential clients. Whether it's vlogs, product demos, explainer videos, or wedding montages, focusing on a specific area can help you stand out from the crowd. Each niche has its own unique style and requirements, so find one that aligns with your interests and strengths. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are great places to find clients, but competition can be fierce. To stand out, you need to showcase your skills and experience effectively. Craft a compelling profile, showcase your best work, and don't be afraid to pitch your services directly to potential clients. Building a strong portfolio and networking with other professionals in the industry can also help you land more opportunities. Remember, persistence and continuous learning are key to success in the world of video editing. If you're ready to take your video editing skills to the next level, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Join our community and stay updated with the latest trends and techniques in video editing. Let's continue exploring how you can make money online with video editing. Have you ever dreamed of designing and selling your own merchandise without the hassle of inventory management, shipping logistics, or upfront costs? Imagine being able to focus solely on your creativity, bringing your unique ideas to life and sharing them with the world, all while someone else takes care of the nitty-gritty details. This is not just a fantasy, it's entirely possible with the print-on-demand business model. Print-on-demand makes this dream a reality. It allows you to create and sell custom products without ever having to worry about stock or shipping. You can design a wide range of products from apparel to home decor and have them produced only when a customer places an order. This means no wasted inventory and no upfront investment in stock. With this business model, you create unique designs for products like t-shirts, hoodies, and other clothing items. The possibilities are endless, and you can let your imagination run wild. Whether you're into minimalist designs, bold graphics, or intricate patterns, there's a market for every style. But it doesn't stop at clothing. You can also design mugs, phone cases, tote bags, and even home decor items like pillows and wall art. The variety of products you can offer ensures that you can cater to a wide audience with diverse tastes. These designs are then printed onto the products only when a customer places an order. This on-demand production model is not only efficient but also environmentally friendly, as it reduces waste and overproduction. Platforms like Printful and Printify handle the printing, packaging, and shipping. These services integrate seamlessly with your online store, automating the entire fulfillment process. This means you don't have to worry about the logistics of getting your products to your customers, leaving you free to focus on what you do best, designing. You can spend your time creating new designs, marketing your products, and engaging with your customers, rather than dealing with the operational side of the business. The beauty of print on demand lies in its passive income potential. Once you've created and listed your designs, they can generate sales on autopilot. Your online store can be making money for you 24/7, even while you sleep. Imagine waking up to notifications of new sales, knowing that your designs are resonating with people around the world. This passive income stream can provide financial stability and the freedom to pursue other passions or projects. To succeed in this field, you'll need a keen eye for design and an understanding of current trends. Staying updated with what's popular can help you create designs that are in demand and more likely to sell, and an understanding of current trends. Researching fashion magazines, trend boards, and social media can provide valuable insights into what's trending and inspire your next design. Utilize free online tools like Canva to create stunning visuals. These tools are user-friendly and offer a wide range of templates and design elements, making it easy for anyone to create professional-looking designs, even with no prior design experience. There are also numerous tutorials available online to help you learn and improve your design skills. Market your products through social media, online marketplaces, and even your own website. Social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are great for showcasing your designs and reaching a wider audience, and even your own website. Having your own website gives you complete control over your brand and customer experience. You can use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce to set up your online store with ease. With a bit of creativity and effort, you can turn your passion for design into a profitable online venture. The print-on-demand model offers a low-risk, high-reward opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs and creatives alike. So why wait? Start designing today and watch your ideas come to life.